What's up, guys? I'm Adrian from adoriani.com, and today I'm going to speak about the parallel compression. If you're in the audio production industry or just starting out, you may have heard about the parallel compression. This is a very powerful technique that sometimes makes the difference between a great mix and a very great mix. I'm going to show you how to set up and how I use parallel compression. Here I made a drum loop. Now I'm going to send all drum tracks to the same aux input track or auxiliary track, except the crash track. In order to send them, go to the output of your drum tracks, select New Track, Stereo, aux input, and name this drum bass. Now I have to send all the drum tracks to this auxiliary track. You can do it one by one, just by sending the output to the drum bus, or you can select all tracks you want to send, then by holding Option plus Shift, all tracks selected are going to the drum bus. Now here, as I mentioned, I have all the drums, so I'm going to duplicate the auxiliary track. So I have the same audio signal coming through a second auxiliary track. To duplicate this, just left click and duplicate. Just one double and hit OK. This is the drum bus where we'll apply the compression. One of the compressor plugins I use whenever I use parallel compression is the Pro Tools stock plugin BF76, but you can use the compressor of your choice. The idea is to compress the hell out of this track, so I'm going to use the highest ratio 20:1, the quickest attack, and the slowest release for now. Then I'm going to add some input until I have about 15 to 20 dBs of compression. Let's do it. Now I will bring down the volume. Then I'm going to unmute the original drum bass. Now, we should mix the two tracks until we have a better or a fatter sound. You may hear there are some strange things happening in the low end. This is why I usually cut some low end on the compressed drum bass using a high pass filter. So let's do that. At about 80 to 100 Hz, you should be okay. Probably you are wondering, why am I not sending the crash tracks to also be compressed? Well, you could do this with no problem, depending on the style of music you are working on. However, I like the crash clean, but you can always compress them if you like the effect. This is it, guys. Whenever you have sampled drums or lifeless drum tracks, give the parallel compression a try. I hope you liked this video. If you did, subscribe and hit the like button. Visit our Facebook page and of course, say hello to us at adoriani.com. Until next time, stay cool and make great music.